how to buy CONJURE AI token. So this token came under the symbol of CNJR. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now, to be able to buy this token, the first thing to notice is the liquidity here unlocked by 90%. That's good. That's medium investment in the safe place. Now, to be able to buy this token, now copy the token address from here and go and open your wallet. For that, I will use Phantom Wallet first. Now click on swap here. Make sure you have enough Solana in your wallet. Now click here and paste the token address, as you can see. So this is our token. Now click on it and here type how much you want to buy. For example, 0.6. Of course, you can increase the amount or decrease it. It's up to you. Now here you will see how much you will receive with that token. Now into provider, select your provider, for example, Jupiter, and make sure to read all of that information here. And after that, click on swap and you will be redirected to Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token. Now, if you face any issues on your buy process, the most issues came from the slip page. Now go to slip page and switch it or custom it, and after that you will be able to buy this token without any issue. Now if you use another wallet like Bitget wallet, click on your Bitget wallet, go to your wallet and select the Solana network in here and click on this plus icon and paste the token address, as you can see. So I added before. So if you are if you the first time that you want to add this token in your wallet, you will see this plus icon here. Now click on it and after that go back to your wallet to be able to find your token. Now scroll down until you find your token. So this is it. Now click on it, click on swap, and after that switch it from here, as you can see, to be able to come on the bottom. Now in the top, select the token that you want to buy with, for example USDC, and make sure you have enough USDC on your wallet. Now after that, type how much you want to buy. Wait a few seconds and as you can see, this is how much you receive on the token. Now after that, click on buy now and you will be able to buy this token. Now if you face any issue, just go and click on this slip page and you can switch it. You can leave it on automatic, or you can check the manual. Now after that, you will be able to buy this token on your Bitget wallet. Now, for example, if you use the Trust wallet. Now, if you use the Trust wallet, now first of all, log into your wallet. And after that, what you need to do, just scroll down and click on Manage Crypto. Click on this plus icon. Now search for the Solana network. Now after you find it, click on it and paste the token address. So after that, click on add token and go back to your wallet here and search for the CNJR token. So click on it. As you can see in Trust Wallet, you will be able to see two options, the send and the receive. Now the only method to be able to buy this token on the Trust Wallet, now first of all you need to have that token on another wallet like Bitget wallet. Now go to Bitget wallet and select the token and click on send. Now after that, they will ask you to paste the withdrawal address. Now go back to Trust Wallet and select the token and click on this receive to be able to get the withdrawal address of that token. Now click on proceed anyway, select the token again, and after that you will copy this withdrawal address and go back to Bitget wallet and paste that withdrawal address, and after that click on send and you will be able to send that token from Bitget wallet to Trust Wallet and you will be able to receive it on your Trust Wallet. So this is the only way to buy this token on Trust Wallet if you use the Trust Wallet. Now for example, if you use the Radium, now go to Radium like that. Now after that, go to the Radium website. For example, I will just go and open the Radium website. Now what you need to do first is to connect your wallet for that. So I will just wait to be able to connect my wallet. Now if you don't find this token here, go back to the explainer and copy the token address from here and just go back here and make sure to select the Solana network from here and just paste the token address here, and as you can see, this is. Now click on this plus and you will be able to add it to your list. Now after that, click here and as you can see, if you don't find it, just paste again the token address, and as you can see, now click on it and you will be able to see it from here. Now I will just wait to be able to connect my wallet. Now after you connect your wallet, just select the token and here type how much you want to buy and wait a few seconds to be able to see how much you receive, and after that click on buy. Now if you face any issues, just go back to here and switch the slip page from here or custom it, and after that you will be able to buy this token without any issue. So this is how to buy CONJURE AI token. If you find this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in this video.